Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride? 'Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. First off, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. I hope this video gives you a ton of decorating ideas and some inspiration. Lately, I have been obsessed with fall decorating. I am having so much fun with it. So I decided to bring some of the fall decor outside here. I wanted to make this area look really nice and cozy. I love spending a ton of time out here. I like drinking my coffee out here in the mornings and then sitting by the fire pit in the evenings. It's just so relaxing. So I thought I would spruce things up and add a little bit of fall decor, and I'm going to show you how I do that.
Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. That's with flying colors now.
So after I took my leaf blower and blew all of the debris away, it was pretty windy the past couple nights, and the pine needles are just everywhere. So I took my blower and just blew all of those closer to the grass area, and then I ended up sweeping some of those up and throwing them away, and then the others just got mowed up when my husband mowed the lawn. But right here, I am just going to clean up my little sectional sofa that I have out here. And what I did was I just took a water bottle and added half water and then just maybe about 3 tablespoons of laundry soap, and just sprayed it all down and then wiped it with a rag. And then I'm just going to be cleaning the windows out here as well. And for that, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This is the window, the glass and mirror window cleaner. And I love this stuff. It has a lavender scent and it cleans really well and it doesn't leave any streaks behind. So I will be going ahead and using that on this window here, and then I'm going to clean the door with that as well. So now I'm just going to take a lint roller and try to remove some of the dog hair that was left behind. He doesn't sit on my furniture at all, but he does shed and it gets on our clothes when we sit on the couch. It can be transferred to the couch, and when the wind blows. If you have a dog that sheds, you completely understand what I'm saying. But I just thought I would take the lint roller and try to get up as much fur or hair that I possibly could. And then now I'm just going back over all of those cushions and getting in all those cracks with a vacuum. It does get really dusty out here, and dust kind of settles in those cracks and in between the cushions. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum up the rug that we have out here as well. Okay, so now that we have everything cleaned up back here, I'm going to start decorating, and I will start with this porch sign. I purchased this at Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago. It was on clearance. I got an amazing deal. I want to say I spent $28, maybe it was less, I can't really remember, but it was part of the spring decor and it was discounted. And I'm just going to kind of place these planters a little bit closer to the sign to just kind of frame it. And then what I'm going to do now is just take some of my fall florals and replace the greenery with some of those. And then I'm also going to add a little bit more of the fall florals to this little stand that I have the sign on. I'm currently having my husband make me something a little more sturdy. I did not want to attach it to the exterior of my house and damage the outside of the walls here, but for right now I just have it sitting on this little shelf, and then I'm going to add some flowers just underneath there as well. If you are visiting my channel for the first time today, I just want to take a second and say thank you for clicking on this video. I truly appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I truly hope that they inspire you and give you tons of decorating ideas. Also, if you are interested in more, please go follow me over on my Instagram. I post there almost every single day. So if you want to get behind the scenes in what I do every day and some decorating ideas that I come up with before I put them on my YouTube channel, go ahead and follow me there. I will leave my handle down on the screen below. So for the most part, I used everything from previous years to decorate my backyard area for this video. I did purchase 3 items. This is one of the items that I did purchase myself, and I am so in love with this. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen me post a few photos of this already. And I purchased this off of Amazon, and if you are interested in one of these, I will go ahead and leave links down below for everything that I did purchase. So this is one of the items, and I am just putting it together. Super easy to assemble. You just add the feet to the bottom and you're good to go. I also love that this doubles for storage. So I will show you here in just a second once I flip this over that you can kind of flip the lid halfway to the side and you can store items down in here if you choose. I think this would be really cool if you did a lot of games outside. You can store some of those games in here. Also, certain pool toys, if you have a pool, you can store those in there. And I'm not sure if this would work well for like a cooler storing drinks and stuff, but that is another idea. But now I'm just going to kind of decorate this, and I am just going to use a little mini wood riser, and then I thought it would look really pretty if I took a maple leaf garland and just kind of draped it all around the edges of this table. And I love the way this looks. It looks so cute back here. So one tip that I have for you if you want to make your outdoor area look really nice and cozy is add throws and lots of pillows, and that's what I am going to be doing here. I found this throw at Burlington and I love it. It was so affordable and it was super soft. If you don't feel comfortable leaving throw blankets outside, you can put them in a really cute basket and leave them right by the back door and then just grab one as you walk outside. I also found some orange colored pillow covers off of Amazon. I will link these down in my description box. I love these. These are super soft and cozy. The cream colored ones that you see there, I also purchased those off of Amazon. Those were in a previous video, but I will go ahead and link those down as well. These come in all sorts of colors and I love them. Very good quality, and it's so much cheaper than just going out and buying a ton of pillows every time you redecorate. Okay, so I figured it was time to replace this hammock, and I was so happy to find a really adorable boho looking style hammock. I have been looking for one of these for so long, and I found one on Amazon. I will also link this as well. It just has that dreamy, whimsical look to it with that crocheted look, lacy looking thing down at the bottom. And I know it looks like it's really high right now, but once you lay on it a couple times, it does kind of sink down, and I did end up having to adjust it a little tighter. But here is how everything looks. I love the way this sofa looks, super, super cozy. And I ended up adding another pillow. This is like a boho style pillow that I found at Walmart. I cannot find a link for it. I wish I could. I think all of their patio items are completely sold out right now, but I did purchase that at Walmart. And now I'm just kind of adding some wood fire starters here in this wire basket, and then some wood logs. And I ended up taking the fire starters out and adding them in their own little separate containers so they weren't falling out of those holes that you see in the basket. And then I'm just going to add a few chairs around the fire pit. And then I thought it would look super cute if I added this tiny little table. And there are a few mosquitoes that kind of linger around and some bugs, so I thought I would add this cute farmhouse style tray and then add a citronella candle in here, and then I'm just adding some fall florals down in the basket below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you truly enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas if you are looking to add a little bit of fall decor to your back patio. If you are interested in any of the items that I did show, I will be leaving links, so go ahead and check my description box if you are interested in those items. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye!